There's a new way of getting super-fast broadband direct to your home or premises. As a UK fibre network provider, Freedom Fibre believes that high-speed broadband should be available to everyone, giving families the freedom to work, game, stream and chat all at once at lightning-fast speeds. You may have seen our engineers already working in your area. They've been busy ensuring that the Freedom Fibre network is available in many towns and cities in the northwest. If you're watching this, it's probably because you've asked Freedom Fibre to bring full fibre direct to your premises. So how do we go about getting the fast fibre into your home? Your broadband provider will have contacted you already by phone and text to agree a date for installation. They've probably already sent you a new broadband router. We'll also call you directly again on the installation day, so you know what time we will arrive. Someone will need to be in to meet our engineers, as you'll need to decide where we position your router inside the home. On arrival, Freedom Fibre engineers will first discuss with you the best way to get a new line into your home. In most cases, we will run a fibre optic cable from a telegraph pole to your home and drill a small hole from the inside, connecting the room where you want to position your router to the unit on the outside wall. We'll feed a smaller cable through the hole and connect it to a wall-mounted unit. We can then plug the router provided by your broadband provider directly into the unit. And that's it. Well, nearly. There's a few things you need to think about before we arrive. Firstly, which room do you want the wall-mounted unit in? It needs to be an external wall. The unit is only small, but it does need to be powered, so it'll need to be near a plug socket. Also, your broadband router will need a plug socket too. You might need to move some furniture so our engineers have easy access to the internal wall. This'll save time. With the broadband router connected to Freedom Fibre, our engineers will run some quick tests to ensure that you're getting the super fast speeds you need. Freedom Fibre. Connectivity for everyone.